How to send money using Lemfi. So first of all, just simply download Lemfi via the Google Play Store or any available app store that you can use on your device. Or if you already downloaded it, you just need to make sure that the application Lemfi you're using is updated to the latest version so you will not encounter any glitches or kind of inconvenience. So open up the app, and then in here, just choose on login and make sure that you're logged in into your Lemfi account. Next thing to do is once you're already logged in, you will be redirected automatically into your dashboard and then just simply tap send money. Once you send money out, just choose your currency and then on the next page, choose whether it's for mobile money or sent to a bank account. Now next is into the review your transfer. Before hitting on send money, you need to double check everything if those are already correct because it won't be able to revert it back to default. So that's basically it. That's how you send money using Lemfi.